Every module in the series news, auto mod, tickets, leveling, economy can be switched on in minutes by one guided flow, the setup wizard. 3 modes, an AI-powered prefill, a real generated plan you can inspect before anything happens, and a full undo button if you ever need it. This is the setup wizard. Instead of hunting through every tab you've seen in this series, you answer a short questionnaire, and the wizard builds your server structure for you. Roles, channels, and the modules to match. 3 ways in. Incremental bolts on one module in 3 to 5 quick questions. Partial and full ask more anywhere from 8 to over 30, adapting as you answer for adding several modules at once or building a brand new server from nothing. Before any questions, 2 shortcuts. Built-in starter kit presets cover common server types: gaming clans, Minecraft servers, businesses, fandoms. This one, the ARK Survival Clan preset, is the richest of the bunch. 25 profile dimensions in a single click. Applied instantly: donor tiers, voice squads, ticket categories, raid protection, all seeded at once. The wizard still walks you through confirming each answer next, and anything you pick here always overrides the preset's guess. Every question shares the same shape: a progress bar, optional help text, and a back button in case you change your mind. Single-choice questions are big tappable cards. Numeric ones take an estimate here. Expected server size drives how many channels get created. Canceling that run and starting fresh in partial mode, this time, same prefill screen, reached through a different door, to try the second shortcut instead of a preset. The second shortcut skips the preset library entirely. Describe your server in plain English, and the wizard reads it. That single sentence just became several profile dimensions at once: purpose, game, even a size estimate, each with its own confidence score, ready to flow straight into the next question. From here, it's the same adaptive question: flow back, continue, or bail out entirely with cancel, which the wizard always confirms before touching anything. For a server that already exists, incremental mode is the fast path: 1 module, 3 to 5 questions, no rebuild required. 7 modules to choose from, each bolting cleanly onto whatever you've already built. Picking community extras scopes the entire rest of this flow to just that module. The banner up top confirms it, and every question from here only touches this one corner of the server. 5 yes or no questions, one after another, an events channel with auto notifications, a starboard that collects starred messages, and a suggestions channel with voting built in. A birthday tracker for automatic announcements, and member of the week, picked and announced entirely on its own, 5 taps in total. And the wizard already has everything it needs to generate a real plan for this one corner of the server. Then the real payoff: an actual generated plan, not a mock-up. Every role this module would create, ready to inspect before anything is touched. Same for channels, categories, and channels nested exactly as they'd land on the server, icons included. The modules this plan turns on are listed explicitly too, right alongside the exact setting changes that come with them. Nothing activates as a surprise. The whole profile, every answer so far, exports to a JSON file you can hand to a co-admin, or re-import later to pick up exactly where you left off. One button turns this plan into a real server. Apply. It creates every role and channel shown here and flips on every listed module. For this walkthrough, we're stopping at the preview, since applying it would permanently change this shared demo server. Every real apply also saves a snapshot automatically, a full record of exactly what got created, restorable for 30 days if a run ever goes wrong. This particular server hasn't had a fresh apply yet, so the list is empty right now, but the mechanism is always sitting there the moment you need it. Underneath, a full audit log: every single action the wizard has ever taken on this server, time-stamped, success or failure, kept permanently for troubleshooting. One more tool entirely. Auto-Optimize looks at real recent activity messages, active channels, and suggests fixes for channels nobody uses or categories that have gone quiet. No new questions required. Incremental, partial, full, presets, plain English prefill, a real inspectable plan, and a full undo button. The setup wizard is how everything else in this series gets switched on in the first place. Hit apply for real, and this is what happens behind the scenes. Roles and channels created one after another, modules switched on, and a snapshot saved the instant it's done. A member joining afterward just sees a server that already looks finished structured from the first message, with nothing left half-built. That was the setup wizard, start to finish every mode, the AI prefill, presets, the real generated plan, and the safety net underneath it. Try it free at ascensionbot.hu, the link is in the description. That wraps the core of this series: news, auto mod, tickets, leveling, economy, and now the wizard that ties them all together. More modules are coming: starboard, giveaways, and the full analytics suite among them, so subscribe to catch the rest.